Lot of freshers or people who joined their first job have this kind of questions. When should I leave this company, or when should I look for better opportunities? Usually freshers will have these kind of questions, right? To clarify all those questions, I created this video. So watch this video till the end, because you will get a very good clarification when is the right time to change your company, or when is the right time to look for better opportunity. Namaste, my name is Sushmita Madhu and you're watching my English channel Sushmita Madhu. If you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. I'm creating videos on job and career guidance every day. So to not miss any latest updates from my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. Now, when a fresher joins a multinational company, they are designated as software developer or software tester or these kind of roles, but they will be kept in the level 1 position. Level 1 position is the basic position, or the first position in the hierarchy, in the growth hierarchy. So level 1 is for freshers. Now, if a fresher is joining today, the exact 2 years, within 2 years or the second appraisal time, he should be changed, or he should be shifted to the level 2 position. He should be promoted to the level 2 position. This will be the right words. Yes, level 1 to level 2 promotion should be happening within 2 years. If that is not happening, then maximum I would say within 3 years the level change should happen. When a person is getting promoted from level 1 to level 2, definitely his designation will be changing as well. From software developer, his designation will be changing to senior software developer. If a tester, software testing will be the level 1 designation. Senior software tester will be the level 2 designation. When the designation or the levels are changing, definitely there will be a hike in the pay package also. So that level changes should happen within 2 years to maximum 3 years, but it should not exceed more than 3 years. If it is not happening after the second appraisal, after the second year, your second year, then you should speak to your manager. You should speak to your reporting manager and the HR, the recruiting HR also. You should speak to them, clarify them that why you are not getting promoted to the level 2 position. If they do not have any answer for you, if they keep on giving you hopes that okay, we'll give you promotion in next 6 months, next 6 months, next 6 months, if they are delaying the whole promotion process, then my friend, I would suggest you to start looking for a new opportunity or start looking for company change. You can change your company then. If after speaking to your reporting manager or recruiting HR also things are not getting clarified, things are not getting clear, then the 2 to 3 years is a very good time. You can definitely shift to another company. Lot of freshers or lot of newcomers, level 1 candidates, I have seen they leave the company within 6 months, 3 months, 4 months. Few people, they leave within few days also. I would definitely not suggest that. If you are doing that, you will be considered as a absconded candidate, and that tag, absconding, that tag is definitely not good for your career or your profile. So whichever company you are joining, you have to think before joining the company or before accepting their offer letter only. Will I stay in this company for next 1 year, 2 years? You have to think before accepting their offer letter. If you have accepted, means make sure that you are sticking to that company for 2 years. That will definitely give you some good weightage to your profile or your candidature. So that was all about me and my thoughts. If you like this video, please click the like button, and if you have any questions, comment below. Only watching my videos, please subscribe. That will be a big help to me. My name is Sushmita and you're watching my English channel Sushmita Madhu. I also have a Telugu channel named Pashams. You can check that Pashams channel from searching on YouTube, and thank you so much. Namaste.